how to install and configure Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is a CIS 2153 project for the fall quarter of 2009 at DeKalb Technical College by Barry Bedingfield. DHCP, what does it do and why do we need it? DHCP is a service that comes with all Windows Server 2003 operating systems, but must be installed and authorized to use it. DHCP is used to distribute IP addresses, subnet masks, DNS servers, Win servers, and many more services to any client machines on the network. DHCP carries out this service with no effort required at the client level. DHCP handles everything from the server level. It saves time and is much more accurate than doing this manually at each client. Install and then authorize the DHCP service. Installing is a simple process. First, you just check to make sure that your IP address is configured statically. Then to actually install, go to Start, Control Panel, Add and Remove Programs, Add and Remove Windows Components. Click to highlight the networking services, click Details, check the box besides DHCP, click OK, Next, and then Finish. Then to authorize the service, click Start, Administrative Tools, DHCP, and this opens the DHCP snap-in. Right-click DHCP, click Manage Authorized Servers, and then click Authorize. Type in the IP address, and then click OK. To configure scopes, which is the range of IP addresses that DHCP will hand out, you click Start, Administrative Tools, and then once again open DHCP. Click the server to select it, right-click the server, and then click New Scope. Click Next, type a name for the scope, click Next, type in a starting and ending IP address, click Next, Next, and then Finish. And then to activate the scope, click Start, Administrative Tools, then DHCP, right-click the scope, and click Activate. You can exclude a range of IP addresses that you may not want DHCP to pass out, such as other servers or printers, by creating an exclusion, and you do that also in the DHCP snap-in. Click the scope to expand it, click Address Pool, and then click New Exclusion Range, and then put your beginning and ending range in and click Add. Reservations for specific machines, servers, printers, whatever, can be made by using the MAC address within the DHCP snap-in. Right-click Reservations under the scope, select New Reservation, type in the IP address and the MAC address, and click Add. Superscopes can also be established at this level. Within the DHCP snap-in, just click New Superscope, Next, type the name, click Next, press Control, click the scopes to be included, and click Next, then Finish. Other server and scope options, which are common IP configuration options that you may want to let DHCP handle, are the DNS server, the DNS domain name, the Win server, and the Wins node. In the DHCP snap-in, just right-click the server options or scope options, and then click Configure Options. Then select and complete the form for each of the options selected. User and vendor classes are also options at the advanced level. Here at this same point, you can select the vendor class, which is basically the operating system, or the user class, which is how the user is connected to the network. And these options can be configured based on these two classes by selecting Configure Options, as described earlier under Server and Scope Options. These are the references that I've used to create this presentation. Actually, you want to go to Start, Control Panel, Add or Remove Windows Programs, Add or Remove Windows Components, scroll down to Networking Services, click Details, check Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, click OK, click Next, and it is being installed. Click Finish, and now DHCP will be one of your choices under Administrative Tools. And thank you for watching.